What's going on, fellas? Back here at the channel. Today we're back at it again with the winter fishing, and we're about to try to see if we can catch anything on the water with these drying. What you staring at, bud?
I'm looking at you.
In still conditions today. A little bit different than last time. Last time it was really windy, really cold. Today it's decent. It's about the same temperature, but it's not windy, so it's a good day.
Swimming. Here, look. Like, see how the treble, if I do it real slow, just wiggles.
Yeah.
So I can reel pretty slow with a flap. And I cast real far out. Okay, this is my casting technique. You just eat. There, yep, okay.
I think it's crazy how still the water is today.
FPVs are the kids. I guess I could bring my phone to film too, but I know I got a good camera. Not as good as yours technically, but because your phone's newer.
I don't think the quality, I mean, as long as it's not like from an iPhone 4.
Like I don't think I could shoot for, I know I could shoot.
Well, if you shoot like HD, I don't care.
Yeah, I think I got HD. Like, I don't know.
I wish I got that on video. I'm not gonna catch anything that's a little stupid. I got a small
Might catch a bass over here. Hands are extremely cold and frozen. And frozen. Can't really feel them anymore. Just kind of a good thing. Uh-oh, Tyler's getting his stuff. He feels lonely.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. The reason why I'm letting it sit is because I want it to sink to the bottom, because no fishies are sitting at the top.